Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. What's going on? This Soleil is her name. I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you. Got some Konig Ampliforms. Got them from my 2012 Mini R56. Gonna do just a small unboxing real quick. Gonna cut them open, show you what they look like. Color is gonna be a gloss bronze. They didn't really look like that in the sun. They look like a bronze, just not as bright as I thought they would be. But nonetheless, it's gonna be what I put in my Mini. So let's get them cut open. Let's get them looked at. All right, girl, you're gonna have to get out so I can do this. All right, you're part of the video enough. Let's go. Get them cut open. I like the way they have them boxed up. Test fit prior to mounting. So what you want to do is you're going to want to get them at least fitted onto your car before you put any tires on them, just to make sure they're what you want. If they don't fit, they rub something, they hit something, you have a chance of returning them without having to absorb the cost. You know what I mean? So don't put any tires on them yet. Make sure they fit your car, make sure they go on fine, and then you'll be good to go. Let's get these off. These things, man, it's rough. Put them in there. They come all wrapped all nice and neat. Nice plastic. And these are pretty light. I don't know the exact weight, but they are very light. So I'll get this box thrown in. Get it set here. Come with a nice little cover for them. They are actually very light. I mean, compared to what I have on already stock, they're pretty light. So get this little cover taken off. Let's see what it looks like. See if I can get some better lighting too. Get this little ring off. And let's go. Ooh. Very nice. So we'll get them set up. These are 17 by 8s, 4 by 100s. They're going to be what fits on my Mini Cooper 2012. They're all pretty much 4 by 100s until you get to the newer F series models, and those are going to be 5 lug. So Konig makes plenty of wheels that fit the 4 by 100. There's not many out there that are nice that I like that fit 4 by 100s. So this is what I found. This is what I like. It's a gloss bronze, so it says, but it's actually not that bad. There's not really a concavity to it. It's a plus 45 for the offset. So with the Konigs, you're going to get a type A and a type B. The type Bs, I believe, are going to be the ones that have more concavity to them. The type As are going to be the ones that sit more, you know, flush, flat. And when you go for the offsets, what's going to change is going to be this centerpiece here. This is going to go, depending on your offset, when you go plus 40, plus 45, the higher you go, the centerpiece is going to come out more. If you try to get more of a plus 32, plus 30, you know, those lower numbers, this is what's going to go in, not so much the spokes going out to the wheel. So this is what's coming in and out when it goes for offset. And if you want more of a concavity, you're going to have to get the type Bs. Type Bs are what's going to give you that concavity. So these are the Konig Ampliforms. They're flow formed. They're a lot lighter, high tensile strength. They're going to be, you know, absorb more of the vibrations and stuff that you get from the road. And it's not that wide. It's a 17 by 8, so it is going to be what it is. It's going to be running 215 45s on this. I'll probably go down to a 205 to get kind of a stretch look. I like the way it looks. People say, oh, you shouldn't. I don't care. It's my car. I'm going to do what I want. So 205 is probably what I go down to, but I'm going to do a 215 to see how it goes, see how it runs, see how it looks. Once I get that set up, I'll let you guys know. But until then, let's get you a closer look. This is what I have. You're gonna see it's labeled in there, flow formed. Konigs. Not bad. See, not much of a concavity to them. And that's my dog's barking in the background.